Like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, Dan here for DA here. Today I'm making a brand new video. Today I'm going to be only this 3x3. The 2x2. Yeah, I wasn't even recording the first time when I did this, so let's get started. Let's get scrambling it. Now let me do inspection. Okay, let me get started. Okay, next scramble. Inspection. Guys, my fingers are sprained. I just don't have the brace on because I don't care about it anymore. So guys, I'm better than this. We're gonna do one more. Okay? So I'm gonna scramble it first. And then I am gonna inspection it. So let me see what's going on here. Okay. Oh yeah, that's inspection. Expect the cube. Look at the cube. Almost. Oh my god, I keep dropping it. You know guys, that's it. That did not count. I'm gonna end the video because I dropped the cube like 10 times already. And I think one of the pieces is already coming off. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay home, stay safe, peace.